Hello everyone, I'm Багланкул Анеля. A pupil of 8th grade study at school number 2 named after Ш.Уәлиханов. Charles Dickens. His full name is Charles John Hapham Dickens. He was born in Portsmouth, Hampshire on 7th February 1812. His father was a clerk in the Navy Pay Office and his mother had wanted to be a teacher, also this didn't work out. Charles Dickens had 7 brothers and sisters. He began his writing career as a journalist for a newspaper. Charles was becoming famous, and in 1837 the first installment of Oliver Twist, a story that became one of his most famous, was published. Dickens was now famous and wrote many more famous novels during his life, such as A Christmas Carol, David Copperfield, and The Great Expectations. Charles and his wife Catherine had 10 children, but unfortunately they split up. In 1864, Charles Dickens was involved in a train crash. Also he survived, he never quite got back to full health. On 9th June 1870, he died at his home in Kent. He left his final novel, The Mystery of Edwin Drood, unfinished.